The $2.6 million 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is a masterpiece that revolutionizes opulent travel. It boasts a powerful Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and a smooth, effortless ride. And it is built on the well-known Prevost H3-45 chassis. It looks sleek and aerodynamic as well. This bus expertly combines exceptional engineering and design principles to do more than simply get you from one place to another, bringing 5-star living to the open road. With its distinctive, striking paint job and panoramic windows, it is a style statement and evidence that your journey can be just as spectacular as your destination. The cockpit looks less like a driver's seat and more like a command center once you're inside. The dashboard is a wonder of modern design, with Liberty Coach's enhanced Crosspoint controls and a massive Crestron C3 CPU. This technology gives the driver complete control over the coach's advanced entertainment and heating systems, navigation, and high-definition backup camera. The entire revised arrangement is straightforward and user-friendly, with the addition of a floating entryway and lighting steps that give the space a feeling of future elegance. The main living area has exquisite craftsmanship and opulent decor. The open, spacious floor design of this coach's 3 S-Slide variants is comparable to that of many opulent homes. The decor, which is a distinctive blend of colors and textures, frequently includes handcrafted cabinets and premium leather chairs. The integrated smart home system makes it easy to control your lights, blinds, and entertainment with button clicks or voice commands. While on vacation, this spacious apartment with opulent furnishings is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying life's small joys. Your portable sanctuary is ready for you. A comfortable king-sized bed is the main feature of the lavish master bedroom. The handmade cabinets that round the walls will provide plenty space for your personal belongings and clothes. Integrated smart controls let you to manage the lights, sound system, and blinds from the comfort of your bed. The lodging is spacious, calm, and peaceful, making it the perfect place to unwind and revitalize for the remainder of your trip. A bath-and-a-half arrangement is also possible in some floor plans, offering visitors a half bath nearer to the main living room. The bathroom is a haven reminiscent of a spa. It has gorgeous high-end fixtures, a large glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and heated marble floors. The toilet is made of porcelain, and the countertops add to the kitchen's luxurious look. The bathroom's ample storage and meticulous attention to detail, designed to provide the highest comfort and convenience, will make you feel as though you are in a 5-star hotel even if you are far from civilization. This is not your typical RV kitchenette. It's a gourmet kitchen suited for a professional chef. It has a full-size, residential-grade refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. The gorgeous quartz structure of the countertops provides an elegant and durable surface for food preparation. Since the entire area flows into the main living room and has ample drawers and storage space for all of your tools and materials, anybody can join in the conversation while cooking.